Hey guys, I'm just gonna show you how to add and play media files in LedStudio. I'm currently running 12.6.5. Um, I've got a system that's actually playing at the moment, so I'm just gonna sort of show you how to add files. Once you open up LedStudio for the first time, you'll have an empty window on the left hand side over here, and then the first thing you're gonna want to do is add a new window. So a window, it's basically your play window, right? You'll have it over there. It will be named or called new window. I've changed mine to the size of the billboard I'm running at the moment. And then once you've got a window open, you're going to want to right click on window and then choose file window. As you can see, there are loads of options over here: text window, single line window, database window, DVD, CD player, video window, date and time window. I'm not going to talk about that right now. I'm just going to focus on files because we are wanting to either play still pictures or video files, right? So once you click, get a new file window, and then when you click or when the file window is highlighted on the right hand side, you'll see a open space where you can now add your media file. So what you're going to want to do is you want to click on this add file button over here, find the media that you want to load or play on the screen, select it, and then go OK. Once that happens, your media will show up your play window, and you should just push play and you will be good to go. Good luck, and or let me know if there's anything specific that you'd like me to talk about in either LedStudio, Led Vision, or Nova Star, and I'll talk about it. Let me know if there's anything LED related that you'd like me to talk about. Good luck.